Good day in the home, I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome back to Mazda 6 DIY videos or Jakuna maintenance, things you have to actually change. Well, anyway, let me show you what's up. Now, Mazda 6 obviously GH 2.5 liter, I wanted to say 2.3 but it isn't. Now, yoink. This engine. Whoop. Now, and what we're gonna do in the engine bay is under this, and you have seen from the video title, this on the side. Sparkies. We're gonna change spark plugs. Where you can find your spark plugs? They are under the coils. And where are the coils? They are on top of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 coils here, so we need 4 spark plugs. And this is a 4-cylinder engine. If you have 8 cylinders, then this should be sideways. Here are 4 and here are 4. Or there is a weird 6 one, which is just straight. This is a 4-cylinder, so we have 4 spark plugs to change and 4 ignition coils we have. These are the tools. This is an 8mm small socket. And you need a small socket for these. See these? That's it, the small long socket. Firstly, it's small and it's long. See how long it is? So that goes here. See, it fits on perfectly. And we will need 15 millimeter, because the 15 will fit on these right on top. See, spins freely. These 2 tools you need to undo what holds down the coils. Once you take the coil out, you will need a spark plug socket. This is a 10mm spark plug socket. See, and it has rubber inside. And this is just an extension. This is an extension to another extension and to a normal wrench. This is just a cheapo. These tools are cheapos and these are special ones. This came in the set with the cheapo. You can see there's rubber and it's a 10mm. Now, quick warning before we start. Do not buy these cheap shits. So you can see I broke the handle just by trying to undo the 3rd one, and the rubber came off, so the rubber was stuck on the spark plug. See, it's out. Basically, don't buy these kind of T-shaped, T-junk, whatever it is. This rubbish, it's bullshit. You'll be wasting your time. Now, and these are the sparkies or the spark plugs. Now, I did change one just to see if they are bad and my car needs changing. And I'm glad I did, because yes, it does need. Now, this is the old, is the original Mazda one. So you can see it's black underneath. This is corroded on the bottom, see itself. The hook on the bottom is corroded itself. It doesn't look that good. Let's compare it to a brand new spark plug. So this is the code number for the Bosch I'm using right now. It originally comes with a... Where was the number? Where was the right one? NGK Japan. So these originally come with the NGKs. I searched for the same, but I cannot find it. Look at this. This is brand spanking new. This is old. Quite a difference, isn't it? And that might be a reason why the car sometimes idles kind of weird. Sometimes it goes good. So I'm gonna change the sparkies today. Okay, let's see the first one. Can we unloosen the first one? Oh, we can, and we did. Actually, this should not come out. This should just tighten out. This nut should come off, but it didn't. But whatever. If it's there, it's there. And now, remove the plug. You just need to press right here. See, right here is tab. Press it there. If you press this in and it lifts, you can easily pull it out off. And if this coil is stuck, wiggle it about. See, like this. Pull it up and wiggle it about, and you'll see it comes out. There you go. That's a coil. And if we look inside, can you see it? There's a spark plug. So now we need to get to that spark plug. So if we put it in, make sure it clicks in there. Then, oh yeah, this one's tight. Now if it's tight, work it front and backwards. See, I loosen it up and tighten it. Do you hear that sound? That means it's old. I'll show you how to remove this one without stripping the threads. Okay, now it's coming out easily. Once it's coming out really easily, you can remove the top and just do it by hand. There you go. Oh my. Oh my. So you can see the spark plug is not that healthy, so we're gonna change it. Now then, new plug. Put it in the socket so it sits there nicely, comfortably. There you go. That's epic, that's awesome. Now go down straight. Try to go as straight as possible. Spark plugs should not cross thread. If you feel there's a resistance and it doesn't go in smoothly, back out and try again, back out and try again until you get it right. Because this, see, it spins so nicely and easily. That's nice, that's how it should be. Firstly, we tighten it as much as possible with the hand, then give it an extra turn. Okay, this is kind of light. Okay, now it's bottomed out, just now it's bottomed out. Click. That's it. Check if the rubber from this, here is a rubber part. Check if that is not on top of the head. Now as you have done that, you can put in the coil. I cleaned off the coil a little bit and checked if it's normal. It's normal, so we can put it back in there till it bottoms out, till the bottom part bottoms out, and it sits right on the spark plug. And the hole aligns, the hole you need to tighten. Then obviously screw it back in and tighten it down. And hold up, I need to tighten it. Nice. Then you plug in for the coil. Pull it up, down, twist it around, and done. That's how you change a spark plug.